Welcome to Table Tennis for Beginners. I'm Tom Lodziak and I'm a table tennis coach from Cambridge in England. I've been playing table tennis all my life and I've been coaching since 2008. So I've picked up a lot of knowledge about table tennis during this time and I'm going to share this knowledge with you. In this course, we're going to focus on the core skills you need to play table tennis well. We're going to look at how to hold the bat, how to stand, how to move, and how to play the 4 core strokes. A forehand drive, a backhand drive, a forehand push, and a backhand push. I'll also show you lots of training drills you can do to help you improve. For me, the core skills we're going to look at are essential. I don't think you can become a very good table tennis player unless you can do the basics well. And I'm going to keep talking about consistency, 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 and movement, movement, movement. These are the key for beginners, and I'll explain why during the tutorials. All of my instructions are for right-handed players. So if you're left-handed, sometimes you'll need to do the opposite of what I say. So I may say stand with your left foot further forward than your right foot. But if you're a lefty, you'll need to do the opposite. So you need to stand with your right foot further forward than your left foot. So that's enough for introductions. Let's get on with the tutorials. I hope you find them useful and please do contact me if you have any questions.